The Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, is unhappy with the response of state governors in tackling the persistent security challenge in the country. He says the governors are not giving security forces maximum support needed in combating crime. The IGP made the accusation at the first quarter meeting of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation with Secretary of State Government in Abuja. Mohammed Adamu reports.
Insecurity, which was initially limited to a few states in Nigeria, has gradually spread across the country. It has created a climate of uncertainty and challenged the ability of those in authority to provide a friendly atmosphere for its citizens to go about their everyday normal businesses. This first quarter meeting of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation with Secretary of State Governments had most participants joining in virtually. It centered around preferring solutions to the insecurity in the country. The Inspector General of Police, who was also part of the meeting, is not happy with the level of cooperation that have been given his institution by states towards tackling this menace.
And at federal level, we've developed a lot of strategies towards mitigating these issues. But we don't get the maximum cooperation that we're supposed to get from the state, at the state level. And we believe the secretaries to the state governments should be conscious of security in their state.
The issue of security should not be left to only the federal government, but must involve all stakeholders, including state and local governments, every individual and every community.
Governments at all levels have been doing their utmost to address these challenges. However, its persistence calls for approaches that are more than conventional and normal to involve all arms of government, all apparatus of government, and most importantly, those that have relationship directly with the rural communities.
The secretaries to the state government, on the other hand, point out that there is need for the police to focus more effort on building trust between it and the people.
60% of our communities are not policed. Even where you have, a semblance of presence of police, they are not, well armed. In fact, it's even suicidal to have some police stations where they are currently located based on, the activities of bandits that we have seen.
Present at the meeting were the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, National Security Advisor, Inspector General of Police, Ministers of Environment and Humanitarian Affairs, and the Secretary of State of the 36 states of the Federation. Solutions preferred at the meeting is expected to help security agencies in tackling insecurity that's been ravaging the country. Mohammed Adamu, TVC News, Abuja.